welcome back to my studio. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to play with resin. I've got some new molds I want to try out, so we're just going to have a little fun and see how they turn out. So let's get down to the table and see what we're going to do today. Okay, so I've got two molds here. It looks like 4 pieces, but it comes into 2. So this is the base of the first one, and that is the bottom, and this is the top of our little mushroom, which will be so cute. So that's a little mushroom container. And then this is a little pot or cauldron looking thing. And it of course has a little lid that'll go on it when it's done too. So that is sitting here and ready to go. So we're going to mix up a batch of resin. Then for colors, I've got some Chrysta gold to put into some of the inset parts of this lid. It's also going to go into some of my little cauldron pot, and then for the rest of the mushroom we're going to use some Senshi red, and part of the cauldron pot we're going to put some gold foil. So if I can remember all that, that's what we're going to do. Now I am going to be wearing my respirator through all of this, so you'll see little captions down below, or you'll hear voiceover, because you won't hear me very well with the respirator. So hold on a minute. I am going to mix up the resin in my big tub here, and I'm going to use my special mixing tool, and then I'll be back. Okay everyone, I have my red, my gold, my clear with gold flakes. We're going to get started with the lid of the mushroom, and we're going to take our Chrysta gold and our paintbrush and do a little dusting of the gold inside that lid, and that's going to help with our design. And then we'll move on with pouring the resin into the molds. Okay, now these had 4 hours on the heat, and it's actually been almost 24 hours since I actually poured them, because that's the way my day went. But we're going to start demolding them and seeing how they came out. That's the bottom of our mushroom. It's looking really nice. We did get a batch of bubbles on this one. We didn't do a good enough job getting all those bubbles out from under the lip here. Oh, look at the top though. One little spot here, but it's not much of one. But I love the way the gold came out. There's a little bit of gold in other places, but I'm not minding that at all. So other than I didn't do a good job of getting those bubbles that were trapped here out. But that is cute. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Let's do the next ones. Looks like the gold and the foil sort of all blended in together, but it gave it sort of a cool look. Now this one I know I did at one point try and work the bubbles out from under, which I did not do a good job on that one. Oh, that's cute. Look, you can really see the foil on this one. And I didn't get as much bubble issue here because I worked that edge better. And there's that little pot. That's a cute little pot. Alright, so I'll need to do a little sanding down here at the bottoms, and then these will be ready for final results. Hang in there. Okay, so this is the little mushroom. So this is our little first container, the mushroom. And this is our second container. It has the foil embedded in it. A cute little lid. And our lid has the foil showing there. So that is that little container. Oh, I'm really happy with these. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for all the links tonight. And have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.